Hello everyone, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Classic Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with what Luna Classic is going to do. So eventually this was a bearish pennant. Okay, so you can see that we corrected towards the bearish pennant. Higher lows, lower highs, ended up in a smaller price target. Now, what is next? Can we go even higher or not? We are going to find out pretty soon. So eventually, right now that we found a little bit of a buying pressure rate here, it is very possible that Luna Classic can manage to go even higher. But at the same time, we have something bearish. We found rejection at the 50-day MA, which was also one of the bottom trend lines of the bearish pennant. Okay. So you can see this high went to the bottom trend line of the bearish pennant. This is why we found a little bit of rejection. Right now we are going to see what we can do next, if we can go higher, and we are going to see the next price targets as well. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to see what Luna Classic is going to do. I'm going to draw the fib this time from this top right here up to this bottom, and you can see that we are having one huge resistance level at around 0.30361, followed by the 0.3031779 and the 0.3032772. Now, what is the case for Luna Classic? It is that we need to close above the 0.30361. If we cannot manage to make it above here, do not expect that the Luna Classic is going to go all the way up. We have some chances into going higher, but eventually we need some more. We need to keep getting and closing above this line, and then we can break easily the 0.3031779, followed by the 0.3032772. This is the next target right here and the most critical target out of all. If we can manage to go all the way up here, then this will be very good for Luna Classic. However, if we cannot manage to go all the way above the 0.3030641, we won't be able to go to the 0.3032772. Now, how many chances do we have to close above this target right here and to eventually get all the way up higher? The chances are small, but they are not insignificant. What I mean by that is we have like 25 to 30% chances to close above. It isn't the most possible scenario and the most probable scenario. However, it isn't the scenario that won't play out for sure. Okay, we are probably going above there to close above the 0.30361, but we have 30% to 25% chances. These chances are not insignificant. We have seen lower chances in crypto market happening. Okay, so do not think, for example, if you've bought here that we are not for sure going above, but we have smaller chances than to go even further down. And for Luna Classic, this pattern right here, this whole thing seems like a bearish pattern to me. Eventually, we are holding for now the 20-day exponential moving average in the daily frame. However, I am not seeing how we can manage to go all the way up. In this shorter time frame right here in the daily frame, you can see that the next support level for Luna Classic sits at the 0.3028, followed by the 0.30257. You remember from the last video that we had these support levels. They still hold, however, we have to get down here before we see any huge buying opportunity. This is my personal take for the time being. As I told you, it is not impossible to find a little bit of a buying pressure, but we need to close above the targets that we mentioned before. Just a small market update on Luna Classic to inform you about the recent price action and the price prediction. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.